Profit Domination Review. Hey my friends, welcome back. This is Kieran Hogg, and today's video I'm going to be reviewing Profit Domination. As you can see, I have members access. We're going to look at all the features in the front end. We're going to talk about the upsells and what kind of software this is and how it can help you. Basically, it is an autopilot system that the creators, Philip Johansson, Dan Can, and Will use to make $360 per day. It is on autopilot, and everything that you need is going to be in here. So we're going to look at this. We're going to see if it is right for you. I have tons of bonuses. I'm being very generous today. I've got lots of bonuses that you don't want to miss that I'm going to throw in as well. We're also going to look at their bonuses and learn more about Profit Domination. All right, my friends, so I will see you on the other side. Welcome back. All right, everyone, so my name is Kieran Hogg, and if you don't know me or if you're new to the channel, this channel is all about making money online, affiliate marketing, and I do a lot of tech product reviews. For example, this one here, Profit Domination, lots of other things. So please like, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell button so you will stay notified. Also, in my description down below, if you want to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level, click on that link, how to become an elite affiliate, right there, and it will give you lots of information and how you can get teaching, coaching, mentoring for life, and much more. All right, my friends, with that being said, we're going to check out everything here, but just let me tell you a little bit more about Profit Domination. Like I said, it is being launched by Philip Johansson, Dan Can, and Will Weatherly. The front end is selling for $12.95, but they are giving a 25% discount. So you're gonna get it for over $3 cheaper. So very, very good deal. And it's gonna go live 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. That is New York time, if you don't know. And like I said, we've got tons of goodies to share as well. So let's take you over to my bonus page. We're going to learn more about Profit Domination and my bonuses as well. So this is my bonus page, guys. It's going to stay up until 11:59 Monday, March 14th. So as I'm doing this, you've got 4 days, plenty of time. Let's learn more about Profit Domination. It is the hidden system that Will uses, to generate $360 per day on complete autopilot and leverage the same software that enables him to sit back. No showing your face, no paid ads, no delayed results. All right, so Profit Domination, here are some of the key features that they made to get newbies into the affiliate marketing industry without being overwhelmed. So you're gonna get, any newbie can use it to make money. 99% of the work is automated. It does not contain any additional costs like funnel builders, website builders, or any expensive software. This is also key because I have a bonus that I created that is geared to the exact same principles, free, no extra money that you need to pay. I'll tell you in a minute. So simple, anyone can set it up. All the content is generated automatically without typing a single word, and they have case studies showing you that this actually does work. Here is the price and the upsells, guys. We're gonna go into that in just 1 minute. And like I said, here are the summaries of it. Very beginner friendly, autopilot, all-in-one solution, unlimited buyer traffic, get traffic and sales in any niche. Case studies included with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, guys, let me take you to my first bonus. This is similar to what their principles are. Good people think alike, right? So I like these guys, Phil, Dan, and Will. They're friends of mine, and they want to teach people the right way, and that is why I created Profit Launcher. It is an all-in-one, very A to Z, in-depth system of affiliate marketing. It shows you how to get your links approved, what kind of products you want to be looking for, and if you want to be making recordings, how you can do that. And if you don't want to put your face on it, no problem. And me and my partner, Sulik, we figured out ways that we did not have to get the audience or the customer to pay any extra fees. So you can get your feet wet, you can learn the industry. I have a template in here. All you need to do is put your text and your images in here, and you have a fantastic looking bonus page, very similar to this if you wanted to do launch jacking, for example. And there is also more. Anyways, there's plenty of stuff in this first one. I'm very proud of it, and I know you'll get good value from it. My second one, guys, is the OTO Profit Rankers. So this is going to show you how you can use these methods and tips to outrank your competition using the Google and YouTube algorithm. Very powerful stuff, and not many people know about it. It's really, really amazing. I use it in every video and everything that I post. Next one, guys, a little bit of a different turn on this. This is another way that you can make incredible income. This is about the NFT craze, how people are making crazy money. This boy in this particular product, his name is William. He's showing you how to make NFTs from scratch, whether you have any experience or not. He's making thousands and thousands and tens of thousands of dollars. He shows you what to do, what not to do, how to protect your content, how to create a crypto wallet, and again, what to do and what not to do. Lots of information here, guided very, very easily. Anybody can understand it. My next one, Traffic Launcher, guys. So this is going to show you how, if you follow along, you can get tons of extra exposure to whatever it is you're talking about, your campaigns, your products, your brands, whatever it is that you want to be doing. You're going to learn how to really reach your audience farther with these methods. Next one, guys, is CoinSmash. This is a product done by my good friends Nancy and Deepa. This is tying into the whole crypto situation, the crypto niche, but you don't need to make money just to buy and sell crypto. This shows you other methods. You can put your link, your affiliate link, to certain sites, and you can make a lot of money. They have case studies as well. Guys, another one is done from my friends over at Team Alpha, Bill, Saurabh, and Sid. Fantastic guys, again, trustworthy, fantastic. They make a lot of great products. This is a Google Chrome extension where you can blast off on autopilot to 500 million people that are on Twitter. Again, anything that you need to let your customers, your audience know about, you can do it here on autopilot. And guys, from my mentor, John O. Armstrong, he's giving me bonuses to give to you. This is Access SEO Studio. Learn how to make higher conversion rates, learn how to drive traffic to your products. Of course, that is going to be important. Access high ticket mastery, and all the vendor bonuses that we're going to look at in just a moment, guys. All right, so to get these amazing bonuses, what you want to do, you want to go to the sales page, which is going to look like such. There's Phil Johansson. You want to click on this yellow button, any of these here, to get your access, and then it's going to take you to Warrior Plus. It'll look like this. This is where you'll purchase Profit Domination, and to get my bonuses, you're going to click on this blue button here, and it's going to take you to this page where all you need to do is click on any of these tabs to access all of the bonuses. So don't forget to do that. It is very important to get all this extra value for free. Okay, friends, here we go. I want to take you to the sales page. You already know about this, $360 per day. Very easy, any niche, 30-day money-back guarantee, case studies, all of that. So I'm just going to kind of skim through this, but we are going to get to the bonus section that I'll go into some detail about that. Here is Will Weatherly right here. He's one of the co-founders. So look at the kind of money that they're getting here, guys. $2,296.75 today. $396.98 yesterday. The last 30 days, $13,759. And then it just keeps going. 966, 1,535. Incredible. We have some testimonials. My friend Nanda, my main man Bill here, my man Jake. These are all friends of mine. Good, trustworthy people. It just shows you that this is not some gimmick software. These are people that I know and trust. They are my friends, they are my mentors, and they are not going to endorse something that is garbage. All right, guys, so again, you can look at this on your own time when you have more time. I don't want to waste all of your time just by going every little minutia. 100% money back guarantee. Okay. So direct access to the Profit Domination Master. Here's bonus number 1, guys. You'll get direct DM access to Will. We're making ourselves available directly to ensure your success. No one wants you to succeed more than us, and we're backing it up with their support. Free training on how we made $62,000 in 27 days. Incredible. So without spending a dime on ads, even better, guys. Free high-ticket training worth $2,000. We have compiled the training that cost us $2,000 to attain and decided to give it to you as a bonus. We paid a high price so you don't have to. Unfair advantage in business and life custom training. So learn how to take life by the horns and become successful in your internet business. Value of $1,000. Instant approval to promote Profit Domination. So make up to $200 in commissions per sale when you promote Profit Domination. And now you have the tools to do it. So those are the bonuses that you'll be getting. You might even be getting some extra bonuses, if I recall correctly, in the members area, which we're going to take you to right now. Okay, so here it is. You got your dashboard, your logout pro version. So if you want your upgrades, they're going to be available right here. Okay. So first, you're going to get a welcome to Profit Domination. You're going to see a case study how they made $62,000 in 27 days. Absolutely incredible. You're going to get a welcome from Dan Can as well. Profit Domination. So we've got an overview. We've got a case study number 1, number 2. The method is going to be broken into pieces here. Part 1, part 2, part 3. And this is with Will, I believe. Yep, there's Will down there. So he's going to take you through. So it's in a lot of detail here.
We're going to be putting our video, once it's done, in here, and then we're going to add links throughout the article.
Okay, so let me just take you through a couple of these, all right? This is part 2, and of course, you'll watch it on your own time, and you'll be able to get all the information.
As I mentioned in the previous video, this is a way that you can tell people.
All right, so you guys, you get the idea. You're going to get a lot of training. You're going to get part 1, part 2, part 3 of one method. Social media traffic to your video. Social media traffic to your video, part 2. And then you're going to get the method part 2. Now this is broken also into 3 different parts. And method number 3, an overview of it. And method number 3, the actual instructional video. All right. So here's Will again.
Well, I'm going to show you where you can go ahead and download.
Now this is very similar.
Different modules. If it's a training course, I'll show them the different training modules. If it's a software, I'll go through the software. And
all right, guys. So you will see some of the material that I'm providing in my bonuses might also be in this one as well. And guys, your vendor bonuses here and your YouTube bonus. Let's take a look at what that is. So look here, free bonus, how I make $500 each from simple YouTube videos, and how you can too. All right, my friends, so right away, this is why I gave you my bonuses, my OTO to Profit Launcher, Profit Ranker. This directly ties into YouTube as well, and you're gonna get fantastic value from this, okay? All right, looks great. And this should not be here, but everything else, guys, there you go. All right, so let me take you now back to the prices, and we're gonna see which ones should work for you. So here's the price, the front end and the upsell. So $12.49, but you're gonna get that 25% discount. All right, guys, front end, $12.97. Now I don't know why they said $12.47. That must be a typo. $12.97, but 25%. So you're getting it for $9 and change. So that's like less than 2 Starbucks coffees. And if you go through all my bonuses, all their bonuses, you're getting thousands of dollars in free value, free content. So you guys are getting tremendous value. Okay, Profit Domination is a results-backed method that William has been using for months. He's able to make money on complete autopilot by leveraging a free software that does all the heavy lifting for him with the case studies inside. The Pro version at $27, get more training, case studies, and extra hacks on how to 10 times your traffic and get more sales with less effort. That is the name of the game, isn't it? More sales, less effort. Tastes great, less filling, right? Pro version at 27. I like this as a potential upsell, in my opinion. The done for you at 37. Will gives you done for you videos, posts, and keywords for you to instantly plug and play. He's done the research, you get the money. Unlimited traffic, 67. Our sales page is hit by thousands of buyers every single day. We are allowing you to put your Bing or Google pixels on your sales pages so you can steal our buyers. Now, one of my bonuses does go into about pixels, guys, and traffic. I believe it is this one here, okay? Traffic launcher. So something to consider. You can get more education to understand. Once you decide you want to start paying for advertising, then that is a viable option that you want to consider. Resell rights at 97. So you can sell the whole funnel and you can collect all of the money from any of the upsells and the front end. All right. So for me, I like the pro version at 27. I also like the done for you at 37. And the front end is just amazing. You're getting that at such a good value with everything that I've added and everything that they've added, guys. So I would say one of these you'd be in good shape, either the OTO1 or the OTO2. That's my recommendation for this anyways. I know these guys, they really do want to help, and I think that this is going to help you if you decide to get these, okay? And again, by using my links, you're going to get all of this, my Profit Launcher front end, OTO1, Latitude, Profit Launcher, Coin Smash, TweetX, and then my other ones from my mentor, Access SEO Studio. Learn how to get better conversion, learn how to drive traffic to your products, access the high ticket mastery, and all the vendor bonuses that we just looked at that are in the sales page if you need to look again. And all of this, guys, is going to be in my description down below, as well as that become an affiliate, an elite affiliate. That's also going to be down there below. You're free to check that out, learn more about it, and decide if that is something that you want to really bring your game up a few levels. And you guys, you can always find me here at KieronGHog.com, where you're going to learn more about me as well. And this concludes my review on Profit Domination. Like I said, this goes live on March 11th at 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. The front end, you get that 25% discount. It is a no-brainer. I like that. Upsell number 1 or upsell number 2. And then you guys will be off to the races. You'll be making money every day and you'll be loving life. All right, my friends, I want to thank you for your time. I always appreciate it. Please leave a comment down below, and I promise to get back to you as soon as possible. Hit that bell button to stay notified. And I want to wish you the best of luck on your journey, and I will talk to you very soon. Kieron Hogg, signing off.